So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here on the browser, you want to sign in to YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. At the home page, you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then at the networks and add-ons, you want to click on the Cinemax. Or if you cannot find this Cinemax, you can just click like here on all, and then you can just scroll down until you find Cinemax. And on the Cinemax, you want to click on it one time. And then you want to add the Cinemax to your YouTube TV membership with the $10 per month and the 7-day free trial. Just click on next. And then you want to complete your purchase by using your credit or debit card and even your PayPal. And then click on start membership. And after you complete the purchase, to watch Cinemax, you can do it both on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices by clicking right here on the search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for Cinemax. Right here on the Cinemax with the network sign, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down, and then you can just see on Cinemax live session, the series, movies, and so on. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session by Cinemax and you want to record it to watch it later, you can just hover over any specific upcoming live session. For example, if you want to record Midsommar at the 3 and 26 p.m., just click on the three dots on the specific show or live session and then click on Add with the show name. This way, you don't need to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. So then, to check on every show that you add or recorded, you can just go to your top of your screen and then click right here on library. There you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Cinemax on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.